Verizon, no question, has been on an absolute tear in rolling out 5G. Give us the state of state from where you all sit in regards to just overall footprint, et cetera, on where we are with Verizon and 5G.
Yeah, we're excited. Thanks for the opportunity, Luke, to be here and also the panelists to share with this great topic. We are on a tear right now in building out and constructing 5G. January of this year was a game changer for us as we had our first acquisition of the C-band, so rolling out 5G on the mid-band spectrum to actually deliver 5G far and wide. We're very excited participating with the OTAs from a research engineering standpoint with the DoD. And then as Stephen mentioned, actually more in the operational phase. So what we're doing today is actually building out our network far and wide. And for instance, with Rob and what he's doing with the Air Force, we're actively rolling out on 17 Air Force bases between OTL-1 and OTL-2B. Very excited with Tyndall Air Force Base being one of those 5G locations. So, there's a lot of interest, obviously, in 5G, but more importantly, it's not just the research and engineering, the AR and VR. One of the big use cases that we see not only in the DoD but in the federal government is actually just wall broadband services, right? And we look at 5G as offering that type of service to actually close the digital divide in a lot of cases, right? So if we're talking anywhere from recruiting offices to provide broadband in remote areas and rural communities, is huge, right? And having one network infrastructure to actually support all these different technologies is very exciting. And then when you start looking at other technologies, and our partnerships with leading cloud service providers, right, when you're actually talking about mobile edge compute. So it's not just the RF and the radio access network, it's actually looking at the applications and actually how they work and how you can make them better with the 5G technology and combining things like edge computing. And as John just mentioned, cybersecurity is very near and dear to us, not only from an offering in terms of service, but more importantly, supply chain and actually making sure we have vetted partners and suppliers as we build our 5G network.
And